Hi, everyone. Today we're going to talk about healthy eating habits. Eating well is essential to maintain good health and prevent various diseases. So, let's get started with some important tips for a healthy diet. 1. Include a variety of foods in your diet. A healthy diet should include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Each food group provides different nutrients that are essential for our body. 2. Control portion sizes. Overeating can lead to weight gain and various health problems. It is important to control the portion sizes of your meals and snacks. A simple way to do this is by using smaller plates, bowls, and cups. 3. Avoid processed foods. Processed foods often contain high amounts of salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. These foods are also low in nutrients and can lead to various health problems. It is best to avoid processed foods and choose whole, unprocessed foods instead. 4. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential for good health. Water helps flush out toxins, regulate body temperature, and keep our body hydrated. It is recommended to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. 5. Limit sugary drinks and alcohol. Sugary drinks and alcohol are high in calories and can lead to weight gain and various health problems. It is best to limit these drinks and choose water, tea, or natural fruit juices instead. 6. Plan your meals ahead. Planning your meals ahead of time can help you make healthier choices and save time and money. You can also prepare your meals in advance to ensure that you have healthy options available throughout the week. In conclusion, healthy eating is essential for good health and well-being. Maintain a balanced diet by eating varied, controlling portions, avoiding processed food, hydrating, limiting sugar/alcohol, and planning meals. So, let's start making healthier choices today. Thank you for joining me in this discussion about healthy eating habits. I hope you found these tips helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. By doing so, you'll stay up to date with our latest videos and help support our mission to spread knowledge and awareness about healthy living. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.